Hey there, techies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special lined up for you. The ApoloSign 15.6-foot laptop. If you're on the lookout for a device that seamlessly blends style and performance, you're in for a treat. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Now, let's jump into the world of innovation with ApoloSign. Alright, folks. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. The packaging is sleek, and as we open the box, we're greeted with the ApoloSign 15.6 laptop in a stunning space gray finish. The attention to detail is evident from the get-go. Now, let's power it up and see what's under the hood. The first thing that catches the eye is the impressive 15.6-inch display, boasting a 1080p Full HD resolution. Whether you're streaming your favorite content or working on a project, the clarity is top-notch. But the visual experience is just the beginning. Let's talk design. The ApoloSign laptop is not just a powerhouse. It's a fashion statement. The ultra-slim profile gives it a modern and sophisticated look, making it perfect for professionals on the go. And the space gray color? Absolute elegance. But it's not all about looks. Functionality is key. The 170 degrees open angle ensures flexibility in how you use your laptop. Whether you're giving a presentation or just want the perfect viewing angle, ApoloSign has you covered. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, performance. The ApoloSign laptop is powered by the Intel Jasper Lake N5095 processor, capable of speeds up to 2.8 GHz. What does that mean for you? Seamless multitasking, quick load times, and a responsive user experience. With 12 GB of RAM and a spacious 512 GB SSD. This laptop doesn't just keep up, it sets the pace. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or a business owner, the ApoloSign laptop ensures you have the power you need at your fingertips. Let's talk connectivity. The ApoloSign laptop doesn't disappoint in this department. With both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi options, staying connected is a breeze. Whether you're working from home or on the move, reliable and fast internet is crucial. And ApoloSign delivers. And of course, it comes pre-installed with Windows 11, providing you with the latest features and security updates. It's not just a laptop. It's your gateway to a seamless digital experience. As we wrap up our journey with the ApoloSign 15.6-foot laptop, it's clear that this device is more than just a computer. It's a companion for your daily adventures. From its stunning design to powerful internals, ApoloSign has crafted a laptop that caters to both aesthetics and functionality. Whether you're a professional seeking a reliable workhorse or a student diving into the world of possibilities, the ApoloSign laptop deserves your attention. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and the latest pricing. If you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up. And as always, stay tuned for more tech goodness. This is Realtecshop, signing off.